a little video to show how I found a way to repair this connector. This is for Jaguar XJ from 1994, and as you can see, I have one damaged wire and the other is broken, if I can catch, and the other is broken. I guess it's a specific pin, not really easy to find. I was wondering how to repair without making a new hole and new wiring on the car. It's difficult for me to find this kind of pin to replace directly, so I really want to keep as it is and to repair the wire here. So we will do that together. I found that tool on Amazon for cheap as usual, and I will put the link on the description if you need. And I got one of these that I grinded to make more thin. I don't know if you can see well. I grinded to make it more thinner to be able to introduce in the connector. I put back this damaged wire, and I will show you how I did. So of course I counted which one I have to remove. Again, you can see it's empty, and that one. In the opposite side, empty, and that one. And as you can see, there is two holes between the pin. So you introduce your homemade tool in each hole to push the small notches inside. One. And like that, I can manage to remove the pin. I'm talking about these two notches here, that when you introduce your tool, it's pushing it to release. I will cut somewhere here to have a nice and fresh section of copper. I will add a little piece of wire by hoping the connection will be like before. Alors, cut here, cut somewhere here. I'll use these small connectors, but also on Amazon. I will put the link in the description to join all the wiring. It will be hard a little between this section and the other, but I don't have many choice. I don't want to weld here, so I will connect like this. Alors, good for one. A little heat shrink tubing. Same on this side. Now I can put back the pin. I will avoid to move so much this connector when everything is set, because it's a 30 years car, and I guess it's a bit fragile, and also to avoid to move so much my connections. So next step now. Alors, I will connect the pin on the connector when I finish to attach this. As it's complicated to install, I will have just to connect this one, and it's avoiding to move so much my connections. Alors, et voilà. You can see it's here. Et voilà. Hope so it solved my problem. I will put isolating tape, and that's it. But unfortunately I cannot check if it's well repaired, because the car is really not ready to be started. So see you next year. Thanks for watching, guys.